Hello, I'm currently working with Tata Group into sustainability and comes with a 2 decades experience into hospitality and training and development. NLP as a training was very close to my heart, but I wasn't able to find a good training program. The moment I realized that ISTD is offering NLP, I took no second thought to enroll for the same and even recommend to a lot of people around me. And once I joined this program on day one, immediately I realized that this was the best decision I made. Why? Because it was not only theoretical, it was more of a practical. I think techniques like association, dissociation, switch techniques have made a lot of change even in a span of 4 days, and I look forward to the same to practice myself and help others also. Within couple of days, I tried this with few people in my family, and there was an immense positive change that has happened, and I look forward to continue the practice, and I recommend this course to all the aspiring NLP learners. Thank you so much.